Hi everybody, it's 8:59 and 8 seconds on September 14th. This is the drawing for mini number 1 for Batman 11. There's going to be quite a few minis for this one, I'm sure. Over here on the left are the 10 filled spots. Whoever comes in first place is going to get automatically straight filled assigned the first 4 available spots in the main. Whoever comes in second place will get the next available spot in order automatically assigned. Okay, so let's do our 3 dice. Number is 12, 4, 4, 4, and away we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and here comes the final one, 12. Barney Stars comes in first, gets 4 spots. Aaron Grant comes in second and gets the next spot. Time just turned 9 a.m. It's 9 a.m. and 6